Put on rubber gloves. Brake fluid can cause allergic reactions in some cases. Empty the clutch fluid from the servo into a suitable container. Spray the clutch with technical alcohol. Wipe off dirt and oil with a rag. Remove any remaining dirt and oil with compressed air. Open the cover by using a large screwdriver against the tabs. Be careful, the cover will be pushed up by spring pressure. Take out the pushrod and bellows and remove the cover. Take out the air piston spring. Remove the O-ring. Remove the first retaining ring for the outer lip seal. Remove the first washer. Remove the outer lip seal. Remove the second washer. Remove the second retaining ring for the inner lip seal. Remove the third washer. Remove the inner lip seal. Remove the plastic bearing. Remove the two Allen bolts. Take out both sleeves whilst holding them together. Dismantle the sleeves, air valve and spring. By using a bent wire and by threading the hook through the hole in the spool, carefully remove the spool. Remove the spool spring. Unscrew the air filter from the outer sleeve. Remove the lip seal from the spool using a small screwdriver, taking care not to damage the spool. Remove the green O-ring from the spool. Remove the black O-ring. Remove the O-ring from the outer sleeve. Remove the O-ring from the inner sleeve. The exhaust valve is only to be replaced when it is damaged or contaminated. Prise off the rubber cup with a large screwdriver. Remove the plastic splinter with a small screwdriver. The exhaust valve is only to be replaced when it is damaged or contaminated. Place a large screwdriver under the diaphragm. Prise off the valve. The drain nipple is only to be replaced when it is damaged. Remove the drain valve by using a pair of pliers. All parts which are to be used again must be thoroughly cleaned using technical spirit. Contamination by using incorrect fluids or hard dust or metal particles will cause the clutch servo to malfunction and will shorten its lifetime. Clean all tools and the vise. Pull the cover and bellows from the push rod. Take the bellows out of the cover. Wash all parts which are to be used again with technical spirit. Push rod, bar and cover. Retaining rings and washers. Thoroughly clean the air chamber and seal case. Dry thoroughly. Also, use compressed air. All parts which are to be reused must be thoroughly cleaned with technical spirit. Contamination by using incorrect fluids or hard dust or metal particles will cause the clutch servo to malfunction and will shorten its lifetime. Blow dry and clean by using compressed air. All rubber seals must be lubricated with silicone grease. All parts, except for exhaust valve parts, must be lightly lubricated with silicone grease during the assembly procedure. Fit the plastic bearing with a flat side in and down. Fit the inner grey lip seal with a lip facing in and down. Fit the first washer. Fit the inner retaining ring. Fit the second washer. Fit the outer black lip seal with the lip facing outwards and up. Fit the third washer. Fit the outer retaining ring. Lubricate the air chamber. Place the O-ring in the groove. Fit the largest ring in the spring in the air chamber. Fit the bellows onto the cover and then the piston rod, making sure that it completely fits the groove in the piston rod. Lubricate the piston rod with silicone grease. Fit the big blue 100mm lip seal onto the air piston, with the lip facing down and inside the air chamber when in position. Lubricate the seal with silicone grease. Place the support ring onto the air piston and press the piston in. Fit the servo cover by bending the lips over with a hammer. Use pliers to completely seal. Fit the black O-ring in the middle of the spool. Take care so the screwdriver doesn't damage the seals or the spool. Fit the green O-ring into the second groove. Fit the lip seal onto the spool with the lip as shown, facing down and inwards when in position. Lubricate the spool with silicone grease. Fit the spool. Fit the spool spring. Fit the O-ring into the inner sleeve. Make sure you use the correct O-rings. They should fit with minimal stretch. Fit the O-ring to the outer sleeve. It is of utmost importance to lubricate the air valve with silicone grease. Mount the spring and air valve to the outer sleeve. Fit the inner sleeve and assemble these together. Tighten the 2 Allen bolts with 8 Newton-meters. Fit the air filter with a big screwdriver. Fit the exhaust valve with the plastic splintered. Fit the rubber cap. Fit the exhaust valve with the help of a 14mm socket. Hit the socket gently until it is in place. Rough treatment will damage the valve. Use pliers to hold the bleeder in place. Knock carefully in place with a hammer.